Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today at the Auto Connect. We got a 2016 Audi A4 Premium Plus Quattro S-Line. It has 64,000 miles only on it. We just serviced it. It's in really good shape. Got a small crack here on the rear bumper, a little bit of a paint chip there. But besides that, this thing is super clean inside and out. It drives great. Good tires, good brakes. Just serviced it, changed the oil. Drives really well. Do a quick walk around video here. A little bit of a scuff there on the, can't even see it, the underside of the bumper. And this thing is a Premium Plus. It has a tech package. It's pretty loaded up. So it got nav, backup camera, sunroof, heated seats, heated rear seats, sunroof up there, Bluetooth, push button start. Really a nice car, super comfortable, be a really nice daily driver, really low miles for the year. You can see it has 64,861 miles on it. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectloc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Audi like this and you need some service or repair work done, or you have another luxury or foreign or domestic vehicle, we definitely can help you in our repair shop work on it. Thanks for checking out this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.